Aloha, it's Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars again. I just wanted to show you this 2018 Infiniti Qx60. This is going to be a gorgeous third row seating SUV vehicle that's big enough for the whole family. And this one comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 motor, so it's fairly good on gas, but still delivers enough power to get you on the highway and off. Keyless entry. The inside features this lighter beige leather interior, which is really nice, and the seats are in great shape as well. You also get a sliding sunroof in this one, automatic headlights, heated seats, and up to 3 driving modes. Plenty of room for rear passengers. Then with the pull of this lever, the seat comes up like this, and you're able to just slide it forward, allowing for easy access for the rear passengers. That'll be your third row back there for 2 seats. Power lift gate, of course, and plenty of storage room, even with the third row up. And to give you an idea, with the third row down, you actually get a lot more storage space, and that second row will come down as well. So you could have a ton of hauling capacity if needed. For more details, please go to hawaiicar.com. And if you'd like to get pre-approved, just hit the financing button and fill out the credit app form or stop by. Thanks again for watching.